Hi guys, Augusto here from Augusto Vlogs. I'm here in Ecuador and I'm going to show you some of the beautiful art that they have over here. You find it everywhere. You see from this plant over here. Okay. Amiguito, ¿cómo se llama esa planta aquí?
Tagua.
Oh, se llama tagua.
Es como una palmera de coco.
Sí.
Pero en vez de dar fruto coco, da este fruto que se llama mococha.
Sí.
Esto primero se come.
Ah,
Está
sí,
tierno,
eso.
se come.
Okay, so de essa semilla, okay, this seed over here from this plant, that's how they make all this beautiful stuff over here. Okay, that's from the seed inside that plant. So the elephant, okay, they make each part of the elephant, they make with one seed and they put everything together. I have all these over here, guys. So can you imagine from a seed like this? Okay, from this they make this one over here. Okay, from this they make this one like that. So it's really neat, very nice art craft. People are very talented. Usually they are families. Okay, how they learn how to do that. So he is the father and the son, and the father is teaching the son how to do it. Guys, another thing that we have here in Ecuador is the hats. Okay, those hats are called Panama hat, although they are made here in Ecuador. Okay, they are very fine. Each one of them is different. Look over here. Okay, it's beautiful. Handmade, hecho a mano. Muy bonito. Sometimes it takes how long to make a hat like this?
Or 3 weeks. I work all the day for May 1.
2-3 weeks.
Yeah. I work
okay.
all the day.
Okay.
But this is more basic quality.
Okay.
We have different models. The models, the prices is a relationship of the quality.
Okay. Okay, guys, you can see the difference of the quality of the hats. This here, $150. Very smooth. Okay. This one cheaper. How much this one over here?
$40.
$40, a little bit more rough. Okay, so this takes 3 weeks and this takes
2 months.
2 months. Okay.
Now we are finished the possible roller and transported here.
Hey, how are you?